ever change my fate. Too ordinary, too unknown, too many dreams to chase alone. The years rode on through fear and doubt. Still something deep kept calling out. What looked like silence, what looked like drift, was preparation for a greater shift. I was not delayed, I was built for this. Every scar, every fire led to moments like this. What